Hi everyone, welcome back to Sol-Ark's YouTube channel. My name is Bernie and today I will discuss part 1 on how to connect your dongle to the internet. For this video, you must have both created a PowerView account and created a plan. Both of these videos can be found on the Wi-Fi setup playlist. You also need to make sure that the dongle is connected to the Sol-Ark.
If you want to go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi using the IP address, select the Done button. Otherwise, use the Distribution Network button. This will bring up a new page and you're going to want to make sure you read it, scroll down, check the above conditions box, and then hit connection. You're going to want to go ahead and exit the app, go to your settings, and look for the EAP network with the last 5 digits that are the same as your serial number. Input the password 12345678. Then you're going to go back to the app. A new page will come up. You're going to go ahead and look for your network. You're going to input your password. Then you're going to select confirm. It's going to take just a second to load. After that, it's going to connect the device, and then it's going to success, and then you're going to hit the done button.
Since we do not need Ethernet communication, we need to plug this hole at the bottom of the dongle with the holeless sealing plug to ensure that the product is in a sealed state by just pressing the plug. It should take around 60 seconds for the lights to turn on after the setup is complete. The red LED means the dongle is connected to the Sol-Ark and has power. The green LED means the dongle is connected to the internet and the server. If the green LED is flashing, the dongle is connected to the router, but not the server. This is usually a VPN or firewall issue. Therefore, you want to ensure your router has internet access. We also recommend that you enable the DHCP function of the router and enable remote services access ports 51100 and 80. That's it for this video on the first Wi-Fi connections. Please stay tuned for the rest of the playlist on the Wi-Fi connections.